Minimal Materials Science Experiment Generator.
Hello and welcome back to Tech Tips with Cameron. I'm Cameron and today we are back exploring another custom Gemini gem. So a Gemini gem is a pre-prompt that you create to perform a repeated task. And today's Gemini gem is all about building experiments that use easy to find materials and can also be done for split grades so that we don't have to stress about finding a bunch of materials for our grade 5 thing and a bunch of materials for our grade 6 experiment. Instead, what it's going to do is it's going to combine those concepts and help you figure out exactly how you can build some hands-on learning without breaking the bank.
That's groovy.
First things first, this is the actual prompt itself, and I wanted to showcase this because I was in Canvas and I used Pro and I went back and forth with Gemini to collaborate to build this prompt. All the reference data from the Ontario curriculum so that this becomes a much more robust prompt and therefore a much better Gemini gem. So here we are in the Explore Gems tab, and right up here you can see I've got my science experiment suggester. Say hi and begin interacting. Well, let's start that way then. Hi. This also works for individual grades. It doesn't have to be for split grades. I just thought for the purposes of this video, it may work better to showcase. We are teaching grade 5 and 6. So the first choice it gives you as educator is, would you like a combined experiment that finds a thematic link, or would you like 2 separate experiments that use a similar set of materials? All designed so that you don't have to find a ton of materials so that you can really incorporate more hands-on learning into your science class. So I'm going to say 2 separate experiments. I think that's probably better for science, especially for whatever concepts I'm teaching. And this is something else I really like. It actually gives you the strands in the science curriculum, but also dives into the large concept so that you could say, here's actually inside of here what I'm working on. So maybe for this one, I'm doing energy transfer for grade 4 or for grade 5, and I'm doing simple circuits for grade 6. All right, so it's going to propose the experiments to you, tell you here's what it's thinking, and give you a description. Is this what you're interested in? If so, great, we go down to the combined materials list. The goal for the gem itself is to find things that are easy for you to find in school. Now, if you have these, great. If you do not have them, you can actually type, I don't have those, and it will give you 2 completely new experiments that use different materials. For this example, I'm going to say, yes, I do have it. And then it dives into our detailed experiments. Here's the title, here's the focus, here's the materials you'll need, and here's the core activity. It offers differentiation and includes STEM skill focuses, so different safety, identifying risks and taking precautions, and includes any safety notes. It does the same here for grade 6. This one even included an image, which is I've not seen before, so that's pretty sweet. Walks us through, tells us how to do it, and offers us the option. Do you want YouTube videos that show how to set it all up? Do you want to continue, or do you not like it at all and you'd like to figure out 2 other ones? So that's the science experiment generator gem. It's a mouthful. Hopefully it's helpful. And I'll leave a copy below so you can update, add, change, and make it all yours. Remember, it's there to give you the first draft. It's there to do the first 90% of the work. You can't leave the human out of the loop. You must be included in these experiments and in these concepts. Work your way through and make sure that it's giving you the information you need to teach the students in your class.
Keep the human in the loop.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.